Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you want to add some class to your space, have a look at this gorgeous chandelier from Rviezza. Now, what I love about this is how simple it is. It's in a really nice matte black finish, but it really elevates the look of your room. It was easy to put together. Just make sure to follow the instructions because you do have to feed the wires through a few pieces before you install. So save yourself some work of taking things apart and read through those instructions. It also has a chain and a very long cord so you can hang it further from the ceiling. It doesn't come with light bulbs, but we got these really beautiful candelabra looking ones, and so that fit the space perfectly. It really does have pretty details. It makes everything come together. It looks very expensive, even though it's extremely affordable. We're so happy with the way it has transformed the space and just made it look so much more cozy and inviting. So if you're also looking for a light and you want it to be high quality, easy to install, but really make a huge difference, I think you'll be super pleased with this one, and that's my point of view.